Hey y'all, join me today as I show you how to make this Mexican-inspired slaw. Don't mess up my video. Like, I already did the intro.
Keep my part in.
In a large bowl, combine one 14-ounce bag of Classic Coleslaw mix, 3/4 cup of chopped bell pepper, and you can use any color, 3/4 cup of chopped white onion. You could also use red onion for this. A 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro, and 1 tablespoon of diced pickled jalapeño. Or if you don't like pickled jalapeno, you can also use fresh. Set this aside while making your dressing. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of a 0-calorie sweetener, 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice, which is about 3½ limes, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Pour the dressing over the coleslaw mix and give everything a good toss. I found that using tongs to toss this mix made the process much easier. Oops, I almost forgot the salt and pepper to taste. You don't want to leave that out. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, put the coleslaw into an airtight container and refrigerate for at least an hour. The longer you can let the slaw marinate in the refrigerator, the better it will be. You may want to take your coleslaw out of the refrigerator and give it a shake every so often. This will help the dressing get off the bottom of the container and back onto the cabbage. All right, y'all, it is time for the taste test. Now, I know Millie is not going to like this. I just know, because she doesn't really like salad, and cabbage is kind of like
vegetables.
Lettuce. Yeah, she's not really a veggie person, though you do like beans and stuff like that. Now, if you are not a cilantro fan, you're not going to like this because it's very cilantro forward.
Cilantro.
It's very cilantro forward, meaning you can taste it really, really well. So, all right, you ready?
No.
Big old fork full. Come on, girl. You got this. You got, Millie, you cleaned up the floor, chick. Smile for the camera. Tell them how much you love it. What do you think? Honest opinion.
Good.
No? What don't you like about it?
Well, I mean, I don't know.
Can you try it again? And don't spit it on the floor this time.
I didn't. It wasn't my fault. I took a bite of it. Look at this.
You gotta take a bigger bite than that.
I took a bite.
So what do you think?
The vinegar. What's the liquid or wet part?
Vinegar.
It's okay, I guess.
It's okay.
That doesn't mean it's not good.
Dang. Okay. All right. I've already tasted it, but I'm gonna taste it again so I can try to describe it. Okay.
Bye.
I'm gonna take a bigger bite than you. Girl, come pick up this fork. All right, to be honest, this is not a slaw I would eat by itself. Just because the cilantro is pretty strong. To me, this slaw
Now, if you love cilantro, you're gonna love this slaw. Like my husband, as soon as he took a bite, he was like, this was so good. And I wish I could have caught him on video saying that, but I didn't. But to me, this would be more of a complimentary slaw, meaning this would be good on other food items. So, for example, I have a video coming out where I made stuffed peppers and actually put this slaw on the stuffed pepper after it was cooked. And so it was really good with that. And then my husband, he made fried shrimp tacos and he put this slaw on his tacos. And so it's good, like I said, as a complimentary slaw, but not one that I would probably just eat by itself. So, all right, y'all, that's my honest opinion, and give it a shot. See what you think. Cheers. Bye.